want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Hey y'all, it's your girl, La Robin Lachey. For those that are new here, we are back with another video. In today's video, we will be unboxing my new mini juicer, and we will also be making some homemade ginger ale. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this juicer. Alright y'all, let's see exactly what this mini juicer comes with.
A few moments later.
Okay y'all, so now that it is out of the box, we're going to go ahead and take this plastic off. Oh yeah. Oh Lord. Taking the plastic off. We have the juicer itself, and it also comes with a mini cup. Comes with a mini juice pitcher, and we also have the food pusher. We're going to place the fruit and vegetables in here, and we're going to help push the food through, and it's going to make the juice, and we should see it in this little mini pitcher here. Now that we have the juicer out of the box, we're going to go ahead and wash and sanitize everything because it is straight out the box, and for anything that I get that's brand new, I make sure I wash and clean it. If I'm using it for cooking or eating, you have to make sure you're washing everything. Now that we have the juicer out of the box, we're going to go ahead and sanitize and wash everything so we can have everything clean and sanitized.
A few moments later.
I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly what I'll be using today. I am going to be using a lemon, and I like to put a little bit of lime in mine as well. Some people just go with lemon. Either way is fine. I have sparkling water that I'll be using for my ginger ale. Also, for a sweetener, I'll be using agave, but you can also use honey. And I'll also be using ginger, the main ingredient for making ginger ale, right? Okay, y'all, so the reason why I decided to make ginger ale is because I wanted a more natural soda, and it's so many different ways that you can eat and drink healthy by making it yourself. If you read the back of a soda, you'll see that there is so many unnecessary ingredients in there that can cause harm to your body. And for me, I just decided that I wanted to eat better, I wanted to live better. It's going on about 4 months. I've stopped drinking, and I've also stopped drinking sodas, and I see a difference in my body. And I just want to keep that going. But every now and then I do have a craving for sodas, so I've decided to drink healthier drinks. And that's what brings me to today of making a homemade ginger ale, because it's one of my favorite drinks. And if you look at the back of the ingredients of a ginger ale soda, you will see that it is so many unnecessary ingredients in there that'll cause harm to your body, and it's loaded with sugar, white sugar, and I feel like we all should be eating a little better. Lemon. I'm going to, I already sliced the lemon. I'm going to continue cutting my lemon, right? But I'm going to make sure I take the peeling off. It's okay to leave a little bit on there to give it that strong lemony flavor. And it's also healthy for you. Like the skin of citrus fruits is very healthy for you. Y'all, we are experimenting with this mini juicer together. I don't know how fruit is going to turn out, but we're about to find out. For those of you that are making this product with me, right now I am cutting up a half of lemon. A half of lemon. I'm peeling all the skin off of this lemon. And I'm going to eliminate as many of the lemon seeds as possible. Lemon seeds. Okay, let's get it all in there. Take that. Let's see that here. Okay, you guys, let me clean up my mess because I love to. Alright, I'm going to get rid of all of these lemon peels. Let's get rid of all of the lemon peels. Okay, y'all, now it's time to juice the lemon. I will be using this food pusher to help push the lemon through. And let's see how much juice a half a lemon can consume from my mini juicer. Alright, let's turn it on. That kind of scared me when it first turned on, but it did the job. It did the job. And I got about, from a half a lemon, I got about a tablespoon from my mini juicer. For those that have the more high quality ones, y'all probably got a little bit more juice than me, but all you need is really like a tablespoon or less to make ginger ale. You just want that flavor in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut up my lime. I'm going to cut not even half, like 1/3 of my lime. I just want a tad bit flavor of lime in there. So as you can see, I'm peeling my lime. Not really peeling it, but I'm cutting off all of that skin. Cutting the skin off of my lime. Put the lime juice in there. Oh my god, I forgot to take the food processor out of there. See, now I forgot to take the food pusher out of there, so we're gonna try this again. So now I will be cutting up my ginger. And y'all, with this ginger, I don't know how much juice we're gonna get out of this, but we're about to find out. I don't even think ginger has a lot of juice in it, but I don't know. Right now I'm just taking the skin off of the ginger. I'm just peeling the skin off of the ginger. You can already smell that, y'all. I love the smell of ginger. It has the best smell to it. And me, I use ginger in everything. Like I put ginger in my smoothies. I like to use it in food, my salads. I eat it with sushi. Like I love me some ginger. So now that we finished peeling the ginger, now we're going to chop it up. That piece. Now we're going to chop it up and place it in the juicer. All right, you guys, we had a ginger in there. And for you guys that are following along with me, I use about a thumb size of ginger. So I use about a thumb of ginger, and now we're going to use the food pusher, and we're going to help push the ginger on through. Let's see. Okay, you guys, I use about a thumb of ginger, and I would say I got about a tablespoon of ginger juice. Ginger juice. So now that I'm done juicing, I'm going to go ahead and clean my space a little bit so you guys can see. And we are going, oh Lord, I am dropping the rest of the juice. All right, correction, you guys. I got about a tablespoon and a half. That's even a thing. So I would say a tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of ginger. That sounds even better. And I am making a mess. For my next step, I'll be using a mason glass. And I also want to add that a lot of people use ice in this step right here, but for me, I'm not, because I already refrigerated my sparkling water and it is nice and cold, so I will not be using any ice, okay? I'm going to take my mixture that I juiced and I'm going to pour it in here. And I'm going to add about, let's see, I'm just eyeing it. It just depends on your tolerance of sugar, but I use about a tablespoon in there of agave. And now it's time. And now we're going to add our sparkling water to the mixture. Overflow. Do not overflow. Do not overflow. Do y'all see that fizz? Let me bring it to you. Okay. I just want y'all to see that fizz. Like, do you see that fizz in there? Do you see that fizz? I'm going to add a little bit more to mine. Let it go down. Do y'all hear that? So now I'm going to give it a good mix. All right, you guys, I gave it that good mix, and now for me, I want to be all bougie. We have homemade ginger ale. Homemade ginger ale. So now it's time to taste it, and let's see what we're working with. Oh my God, this tastes exactly like soda, but it has all natural ingredients in it.
A few moments later.
Now that I'm back and I have everything washed and cleaned up, I just want to take the time to say thank you guys for watching and tuning in with me. Make sure you like this video and comment below. Let me know how your ginger ale turned out.